Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Sora 2 in UK. And the way I went about this, okay, you just go and download this VPN, Urban VPN Proxy from the Chrome Web Store. Okay, you can search this up on Google, come here, add this to Chrome. So you can see if I click here, I'm actually connected to USA, okay, the region. You need to be at least in the US region or Canada, and I've been using this for the past 15 minutes or so. Then you just come here to this URL, sora.chatgpt.com/explore. You can sign in with your ChatGPT account, or you can create a new account, and then you just come here, enter your prompt. As you can see, I actually created a video as well. This is right here in my drafts. So I can click on it and show you. This is just a sample of what the video looks like. It's really that easy. So just get the VPN and you can go ahead and use it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.